give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
Welcome to the Instant Tutorials by the Ruggeds, where every week we teach you a new breaking technique. My name is Jesse, and today I'm gonna teach you UFO instantly. Hey, like and subscribe, don't forget, and let's get to it. Right, the UFOs is like, it's a power move that you hover with your legs above the floor. It's very different than other power moves. I would maybe recommend you to, I don't know, start with some turtles or practice some turtle freezes also, because the rotation is very similar. Okay, so first thing you want to start with is also the EASYROCK. If you don't know how to EASYROCK, check my EASYROCK tutorial. So that's the way you get into it. You get into it like this, yeah? You get into it as fast as you can. You really need that speed, and also really warm up your wrist, because you're gonna feel it at some point when you're practicing. Alright, so I'm gonna show it. It's really hard to show slowly, so I'm gonna show it the first movement. You're gonna start right, left, and then make sure you tap right, left. So, yes, so that's a short demonstration. What you should do is really make the pace for yourself. So I go, place my right hand down, left. Then I jump, tap right, left, right, left. Your rhythm is super important. If you go out of your rhythm, you'll lose it. Yeah, no doubt. Stretch your legs. I'm gonna explain the one that I use my legs stretched. So I'm gonna go like this. Yes, that's the one with the legs stretched. There's also a different shape where you have your legs open, which I find more easy, so I would recommend practicing stretched legs first, and then these ones with the legs open, way more easy. Your hands are more in between, right? Alright, so I go tap. That's the one with the legs open. Also, one pointer is lean forward. Yeah, I would really lean over my hands a little bit, and this helps with like keeping your balance. And don't forget, you really need that speed. So just do it. And if you feel like you're scraping your legs, just try to push. Maintain the rhythm. That's the most important. Yeah. If you lose that rhythm, yeah, you're gonna stop. Right? UFOs is like a move that you don't see very often, so I really like it. But yeah, it's also not that hard to practice. That's why I'm giving you this tutorial. Hope you liked it. Enough talking, now you should go practice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Jesse. See you back next week with another instant tutorial.
Yo, what's up YouTube? There are more instant tutorials to check out. So, you know, every week we will be dropping a lot of stuff that you can check and what you can learn. So please, make sure you stop.